Wow! Wow! Wow, this thing. Wow!
You like it?
Thank you, guys.
Yep.
Hi, guys. Name Jason. Name Jason.
How old are you?
Poo poo.
3?
3.
You're 3.
Yeah, 3. Yeah, you got 3. So put. So then, going up in there.
What is it? Show us. You like it?
Yeah.
What's that?
I know.
It's a sink.
Sink.
Okay, you need some help opening it?
Yeah.
Okay. Shane help you.
Okay. This scissors. That scissors.
How are you feeling?
Yeah.
You feel good?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah. Yes, I is. Give me it. Give me it. I don't know what this is. Tell me what this is. Oh, water. It's coming. I don't know what this is.
Okay, wash it and then put it right here.
I know that's dirty. I'm going to wash it. What?
Oh no, you want our water?
Yeah.
Turn it off.
Yeah, I turned off.
Okay, that's good. Wash all of it.
Okay.
What color is that?
Orange. Green.
Rinse it again.
What's coming up?
Jason, what are you doing? You helping mommy with washing dishes? What is that? It's a pot. color is that?
Um,
Jason, I can help you. See? Look, blue cup. Be careful with the knife. Draw off the water. Okay, now you have to dry the dishes.
I want my
Okay,
outside.
put it in here. Jason, what are you doing? You drying?
That's water.
Yep.
Go away, water. Go away, water. I see water.
Dry all your dishes first.
But that's the water coming out. Uh-oh.
You done?
It's done. Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.